Hi, my name is Jeremy Jones with Jones & Associates, and I'm going to show you how to take your accounting to the next level. As a general or specialty contractor, you wear a lot of hats in your business. I'm sure it feels like you're wasting your time trying to get your books in order. Or maybe you're losing money not being on a job or managing a job because you're still at the office. Or maybe you just don't know where to start. Imagine for a minute you didn't have to deal with any of that, and you had an off-site accounting department that would take care of everything for you. And that's where I come in. I have years of experience working with companies just like yours, with general contractors, electricians, plumbers, and all kinds of specialty trades. And I'm not your typical bookkeeper. I use tax-saving strategies to help you keep your money in your pocket. I put together a custom plan just for you and your business so that you can do what you do best. So go ahead and click the link to schedule a free one-on-one consultation, and we will start tailoring an accounting solution for your contracting business.